Here we have a 2016 Harris 250 Crowne Tri-Toon. It has a Mercury 350 horse Verado on the back. It does have the power tower there. Teak weave flooring. Nice stainless gate to get in. Nice long benches. They do have armrests. Does have the entertainment bar, sink, in-floor storage, bolster driver's seat. Is rated for 15 passengers. Polk stereo. Does have the upgraded sound system in it. 2 bar stools. Flip-flop seat in the back here. Lots of cup holders. Nice walk-through. 2 more gates in the back. Stainless ladder. There's a big motor. 350 horse. That backrest there does flip back and forth. You do have speakers off the back if you want to listen to music in the water. Bimini coming off the tower if you want some shade. We do offer financing. Check this one out at SkipperBud's.